Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Porsche Panamera versus Zeekr 001, which is better. Follow along as I break down performance, range, comfort, and value to find the best choice for your needs. I'll point out key specs, ownership costs, and driving impressions to help you decide. Think about whether you want electric range, sporty handling, or luxury features, and I'll highlight where each car shines so you can match features to your priorities. Let's walk through how each car performs on road and how far each will take you between charges or fill-ups. I compare 0 to 60 feel, throttle response, braking, and chassis tuning to explain driving character. Then we look at real-world range estimates, charging times, and how driving style changes results. By the end, you'll understand which vehicle fits your driving habits and where compromises appear. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful comparisons for you. Quick recommendation. I've been using leak-proof meal prep containers that simplify packed lunches and road trips, and they pair nicely with a busy car lifestyle. Check the description for the product link and other deals to save time and money on essentials you'll use every day. Now let's get back to the video. Next, we examine cabin comfort, tech, and the ownership math that matters after purchase. I describe seat support, noise levels, cargo practicality, and the clarity of each car's infotainment and driver aids. Then we compare warranty coverage, expected maintenance, and likely depreciation to estimate ownership cost. That helps you weigh whether comfort and features justify price or if efficiency and value win out for your priorities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.